Hey guys, this is Jay from Relay. I'm just going to give you a quick run through of our app, show you how to get started, and configure a few different notifications, and we'll get to see them come through. So to begin, you're going to land on our dashboard here, and you'll see that Relay is already activated. You'll just need to connect your Slack account. So let's do that now. So when you click connect, you're going to be prompted to allow access to your workspace. You can also change which workspace you're allowing access to if you have a few of them. So I'm going to change this to the Relay demo store here. And we're just going to click allow. So once that's done, it's going to take us back to our dashboard, and you can see that our details will be here now and Slack has been connected and Relay's ready to go. So all we need to do now is configure our notifications. So let's start by clicking on the event we want to configure. Let's just do order created. So when a new order comes in, we want a notification to be received, and we can see here that we have no notifications configured, so we can begin by clicking add new notification. And this is going to create our first notification here. You can see there's a few fields we need to fill in. Beginning with notification name. We can just call it order created. So once we've added a name, we just need to select which Slack channels we want to send this notification to. So I'm just going to select Storefront Brisbane, and we can select as many as we like here. We could select multiple, and it would send that same notification to a few different channels. But let's just go with this one channel for now. You can see it's been added here. So we have this list of fields we can choose from. They are all selected by default, but we can turn them on or off. If we'd like to see a preview of what this notification will look like, we can click this preview button at the top, and we see this example here. So we might decide that we don't need all of this information. Maybe we just need the order summary, the customer name, and the line items. So we're just going to choose those three fields. And we're going to go down to conditions. We can add as many conditions as we'd like. You can select any of these fields. We could say the total price has to be greater than $100 before this notification will actually come through to Slack. And decide if all the conditions have to be met or if just any single one of them could be met for this to send. For this notification, let's just remove the conditions. We just want all events to come through. Every time there's an order, we want it to send a notification. So this will be our finished notification. We can hit save. And once this finishes saving, our notification will be running. And we can see it here, a nice little summary that we have an order created. This is our name of our notification, and it's going to send to these channels, just the Storefront Brisbane channel. And so let's go to the storefront. So we have an example cart with our products, and we are also using our other app, Bloom, our date picker app. So we can select a date for this order, and we can show that these other apps can also work with Relay. And so we've filled in our details, and now we're just going to check out, pay for our order. And there the order's been placed, and now we wait. And there's our notification. Instantly we get notified through Slack to the channel we selected. And we can see that it has only the fields that we selected. We have the order summary, the customer details, and the line items. So now that we've set up a basic event for an order created notification, let's look at expanding it a little more and adding a second one with a few conditions. So we can click add new notification again to create a second notification now. And let's call this VIP customers. Let's have this send to the VIP customers channel. And let's change the information to include, we'll remove a few of these, but we actually want to keep additional details so that we can see our other apps' interaction with Relay. So now we can add some conditions. Let's begin with selecting customer tags contains VIP. We could also add a second condition, perhaps to say we only want to know about VIP orders if they are greater than $100. We'll leave this on all conditions are met because we want both conditions to have to be true for the notification to send. Now we can click save, and let's jump back to the storefront. So we have another example cart here. Again, we're going to choose a date. Let's choose the 4th, and let's check out. Now that we've filled in all the details, we can just check out, and we will see the notification come through again. Notice how this time we've received 2 notifications because we've configured 2. One of them to the Storefront Brisbane channel, which is just our standard notification that we configured earlier with our 3 fields. And then a new notification to the VIP customers channel, because this customer was tagged as a VIP and the order total was over $100. And you'll notice that this has extra fields, the additional details field that we ticked on, which includes our app's custom data, delivery date, and delivery method. As you can see, Relay has a whole list of events you can listen to, configure as many notifications as you'd like, with custom conditions, multiple conditions on each one, send to multiple channels, however you need for your business. If you need any help at all, we have a help section here where you can read some frequently asked questions, read more in our help center, or you can open our support here, send us a message, and we'll get straight back to you to help you out.